Hello, good day listeners. In today's video tutorial, we are looking at a freeze panel in Excel. Freeze panel. Why do we need freeze panel and where do we need a freeze panel? We most likely to run into a voluminous data in most cases. If you are an accountant, you are a cashier, okay, in an organization where you are dealing with 10,000 or 20,000 rows of data, and peradventure this data, whether you like it or not, is most likely to be titled in column. Say this is first name, other name, last name, and the amount. Okay, you can have percentage here as the case may be. Okay, you can say maybe this is, let's say, 10%. Okay, then inside this 10% we have this. All right, then we can just come here, let's say 10% here. Now this 10%, if I draw down here, it will assign 10% to each and every one of these people. Now that we have this 10%, as the case may be, now what I'm trying to do here, sorry, this is supposed to be here, I'll put a 0.5, then this is the percentage for all these users. Now if I save this data and I want this data that when I scroll up, the title should not be hidden. This first name, last name, other name, amount, and what percentage should not be hidden. Okay, I want it to be freeze. That is where we use freeze, so that by the time I begin to scroll down and I want to add more data here, I should add that data with respect to that particular column I'm making reference to. Okay, so that is why even if I scroll down, the column is supposed to be freeze here, but it's not freeze. So this is where we need a freeze. So to do that, I'm going to come here, highlight this first column title, highlight it this way. Okay, hold down your shift and press alternate key. Okay, press W, press F, and press arrow. Now if I click Ctrl S, we have saved the data. Now let me scroll up and see what happened. You see, the title has been what? Freeze. If I scroll down, it's still there. If I draw down, it will duplicate it, but it will what? Fall back to the original title. You see, if I scroll up now, even if I'm writing anything here now, I know that I'm typing with respect to other name. If I'm typing again, I'm typing with respect to what? Last name. If I'm typing here, I'm typing with respect to percentage. If I'm typing here, I'm typing with respect to what? First name. If I'm typing here, I'm typing with respect to what? Full name, because the column has been what? Freeze. Unlike the initial stage where when I scroll up, it will be hidden. So this is how to use freeze, and this is the reason why we need freeze. Thank you for your time. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, share, and comment on the comment section. Goodbye.